Hey readers, this is Daniella from Estella Wild Designs, and today we are going to open up the December 2019 Bargain Bead Box, and this is the last bag for this year, so it's going to be interesting to see what we can find inside. Alright, let's do this. Okay, here is the bag. It's kind of heavy. Let's see, and the theme for this month is Merry and Bright. Okay, that's interesting. And here's the identification key or the content list. Let's see. Open up the tissue paper here. All right. Put the paper here, maybe, yeah. And this is the bag. It's a nice white organza bag with lots of goodies inside. Oh my god, what is this? It's bright anyway. Okay, let's take a look at that a little bit later. Alright, let me just organize this and I'll get back to you. Alright, so first up we have this it's a 16-inch strand of 8mm man-made turquoise round beads, and I think maybe this could be howlite. I'm not sure, but it's usually howlite when they say turquoise. It's a nice color, I think. It's not very Christmassy, but it's kind of nice. So we'll put it over here. 8mm is also a very good size, I think. Okay, so number 2 is over here, and it's a 7.5-inch strand of 6x4mm Xinjiang turquoise faceted rondelle beads, whatever that is. And it's in here, and they are very nice. I think it's a green turquoise color, and the beads they're actually very shiny and nice. I think they are darker than the first strand, as you might see. All right, we put them there. And unfortunately, I didn't get the bag number 3, which should have been 40 pieces of 7mm lacy bead caps. And that's too bad, because I really like bead caps, and it's always nice to have like matching things when you are making jewelry. Alright, so I didn't get them, so we will just move on. Number 4 is over here, and it's 3 sets of 20x22mm swirl pattern toggle clasps. Let's see what they look like. They are in a kind of a bronze color, don't you think? It's always great to have clasps, and I particularly like toggle clasps. I think they are cool. All right, we're going to put them over here like this. Number 5 is 20 pieces of 7.5mm fancy bicone spacer beads. They are kind of heavy too. And I would not call these bicones. Maybe I would call them saucer bead. They look like little UFOs. And also, these are in a bronze color. Can you see? I think they're kind of cool. And as I said, they are kind of heavy. So that's nice. All right. So number 6 is this, I would say, humongous type of pendant thing, and it's called then 61x58mm round poinsettia focal ornament chandelier. Look at this. This is huge, but it's kind of cool. Anyway, it's kind of, I would say, actually Christmassy. It's nice, and there are a lot of little holes around here where you can I don't know, attach things if you like. It's nice. All right, so number 7 we have here, and this is 7 pieces of 19.5 by 15 millimeter snowflake charms. See if I can get them out of the bag. Oh, they're nice. And there are a lot of them, and also bronze. Cool. Yeah, I think so. Very nice. Okay, so I put them over here so we can look at them. All right. And then we have number 8. And this is, let's see, 2 pieces of 29 by 25 millimeter filigree wreath pendants. They're kind of cool. They are not two-sided, as you can see, but they are nice. Maybe you can glue them together. Let's see if we can do that, so you don't have to worry about which side. Yes, you can glue them if you like. So this is one on the front and one on the back, so you can see how they look like. But they are very nice, I think. All right, let's put them over here. Okay, and next up we have bag number 9. And this is 6 pieces of 22.5 by 16 millimeter snowflake round links. And they look like this. They're actually very nice, I think. You see? They're nice. And they're also in a bronze color that matches all of the other things here. Yeah, they do. All right. Still not very Christmassy, I must say. Well, and then we have number 10. And this is a 7.5 inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter glass top drilled rondelle beads. And they're in a hollyberry red. This is Christmassy, isn't it? It's a very Christmassy type of color. And they are, as you can see here, they are, I don't know if you can see this, they are drilled from the top. Can you see? Oh, I can't see my camera very well. All right. They're very nice red color, in my opinion. Okay. Number 11. This is 5 pieces of 31 by 10 millimeter. This was that word. Sian King turquoise teardrop pendants. They are very nice, actually. I like them. Look at this. I think they're cool. They look very good. And they are drilled from side to side, like this. They're nice. Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is very interesting as a Christmas color. This is a 15-inch strand of 66 millimeter frosted glass round beads in electric coral. And they sure are electric orange and not very Christmassy at all, but they are kind of fun. And I like orange, but mostly in the summer. I like yellow and orange and, you know, stuff like that in the summer, but not for Christmas. I'm not so sure about this. But it's a kind of cool color anyway. You see, it's super, super bright. Okay. I think it's kind of weird to put this in the December box. But it said merry and bright, and these are both merry and bright, I think. All right. So now we have number 13. And this is 4 pieces of 13 millimeter cut glass crystal star beads in metallic green iris. And these are super nice. And they are very, very, very sparkly. I hope you can see this. I hope it comes through. Very cool. Let's see where the hole is. It's nowhere where... There's the hole. So it goes... I don't know. Yeah, it goes through like this. Like that, straight through. super shiny, and I like the color too. Let's see, we put them over here. I think I'm actually running out of space here. All right, if we do like this, it doesn't matter. All right, next up is number 14. We have a 7.5-inch strand of 6 to 12 millimeter tumble agate pebble beads in the color Evergreen. These are so nice. Very, very nice. Uneven beads. Both are, I think it's kind of the same size almost. Very cool. It's really, really nice, I think. Let's put them over here. Okay. And then we have number 15, which is 2 pieces of 24 millimeter lampwork glass Christmas tree beads. What is that? Oh, look, little Christmas trees. Aren't they cute? They're super cute. Maybe you can, oh, maybe you can have them as earrings. No, it would be too big maybe. But for Christmas, very cool. They were fun. I have to put them over here. All right. There. And then we have number 16, which is 1 meter of 5 millimeter oval steel jewelry chain. And this is also in a type of bronze color. I like when the chains are this size. I don't like the tiny, tiny little chains. This is a good size, I think. It's good. I like it when they put chains in the bags too, because you really, really need it. All right. Okay, and the last bag for today is, for the year, I must say, is 8 inches Chinese crystal 8x6 rondelle beads in matte lime shimmer. These are nice too. They're really, really nice. It's a really nice lime color. And I don't really actually see the shimmer, but it doesn't matter. They're nice, very cool beads, in my opinion. So this was all for 2019 from Bargain Bead Box, and I have actually enjoyed the year with them. I like their beads, and I think the bags are well coordinated, except maybe this one. This was, well, I don't know what to say. It's not Christmassy. It is bright, for sure. And yeah, Mary, I think it would be nicer if you had this like in the summer or something, but it doesn't matter. It's fun anyway. And yeah, well, okay, so thank you for this time, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.